Hey guys, we're back again today talking about inflammation. Today we're specifically going to focus on good inflammation, and yes, it can be good. So if you twist your ankle or sprain your back, you want inflammation. It's going to help the tissues heal because it tells your brain something's wrong, fix it. Now when we do things in the office, we are trying to trigger healthy inflammation to help your body fix the injury. When we are looking at what we can do specifically outside of the office to promote healthy anti-inflammatory tendencies in our body, we want to look at things first. Fish oil, most powerful thing we can do. You can take loads of it to promote a very good anti-inflammatory level in your body. It can help with pain, and it really can make a big difference. Number two, we want to look at lean cuts of meat, organic grass-fed beef products, wild-caught fish products. They have healthier levels of fat, and they're going to promote an anti-inflammatory profile in your blood. Number three, lots of fruits and vegetables. You're going to hear us hit that one again and again when it comes to inflammation, because when it comes to fruits and veg, there are very few things that can do better. And finally, herbs and spices. Things like ginger, turmeric, and boswellia, you can cook with them and they will have a big impact on your inflammation, and you can take them supplementally and they will also have a big impact on your inflammation. So get out there, shop smart, ask questions, and work on your inflammation.